again in a different location with a different lighting and a different setting. I am in school. I go to Troy University. I am a senior. I haven't really had time to record and edit, but I still have been creating and such. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you'll see that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a cute little update to let you know I haven't forgot about you. Hello, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Erykah. You can call me Badu or E, whichever you please. And here on my channel, I make DIY tutorials like this one, as well as some fashion-related videos and some lifestyle videos. So, if either of those interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell too so you don't miss a beat. And if you'd like to connect with me more, keep the vibes going, keep the love flowing, you can follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Depop, you know the one, and my Snapchat. But without further ado, let's make it do what it do. Today I'll be creating this top similar to one sold on Dolls Kill. However, Dolls Kill is overpriced and problematic, and we don't need that kind of negativity in our lives, so we're gonna make it ourselves. I'm using a pattern I downloaded from Pinterest. This pattern is by Mark Culp. I'll link him in the description below. First, I'm starting off by cutting the pattern out of this black tee that I don't use. I used both the front and the back of the shirt so it would be double layered. Then I took it to my sewing machine and did a overcasting stitch around all the edges using the settings shown. I also ended up using yellow as my contrasting color thread. Here I'm just taking picking shears to clip the unthreaded edges. I did not worry about sewing all the way to the tips because the thread will give off the illusion of it being pointy. On the pattern, you can see I drew lines that resemble the outline of the bat. Now I'm just taking pins and mimicking what was drawn. After that, I'll sew along those lines using a zigzag stitch with the settings shown. I made straps from the collar and the bottom hem of the shirt. I'm showing where I placed my straps on the top here. On the pattern you can see I put them at the top and bottom of the wings. However, off camera I also made another strap for the middle of the wings just for a little bit more security. This is the finished look. I enjoyed making this top. It was super easy. It only took like an hour to create. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cosmic beings of the universe, we've come to the end of our video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and even comment what you want to see next. All those goody ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to catch you in my next one. See you later.